start.
So the cruise is moving.
How do you feel here?
Fantastic. Love this atmosphere. The atmosphere of Dubai is really very fine.
Do you think that this atmosphere will refresh your memories
A
and
lot.
thoughts?
When we go back home, it will be really memorable moments for us.
Oh,
And
God.
this time, as you are picturizing, we believe that these moments will remain in our minds for a long time.
So you think that your age is reduced?
At least 10 years.
So you intend to come back here again?
Whenever I get the opportunity.
Good. So what was the most important thing in this regard? Where have you been here in this place?
We are enjoying the
And
moment,
impressing.
especially yesterday we enjoyed a lot, and we are hopeful to have the same kind of excitement here in the cruise as well. The previous, especially driving of desert safari, was so much exciting, and though it was quite adventurous, very dangerous, and even then I enjoyed it a lot.
Good. So we are having a view of this atmosphere again. Lifeboat walk करी पे ये.
Sorry, ball this was lagi.
I have seen.